Welcome, here I've got XIAOMI Poco M4 Pro 5G and let me show you how to manage camera grid lines at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. From here let's go to right corner button so we can get access to more options about camera we can manage with show grid lines button. So just one tap here and we can turn them on, another tap to turn them off, and when they are turned on we can see them here in the preview. So this is how standard grid lines looks like, and they are useful, for example, when we want to use the rule of thirds in photography or making experiments with composition of our picture. Once again, let's tap to right corner settings, and now let me pick show grid lines button at the bottom so we can get access to more grid lines. Let me show you the second option. So now they have changed it to this type of view, and here we can also see the spirals from left and right sides. And of course remember that all of these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, we can't see the grid lines at the picture, so they are only to have us taking better photos. And of course when we don't need them or need another type, we have to move back to right corner options, tap to show grid lines button, or just tap on the bottom of it to pick whatever we need, or turn them off by just one tapping here. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.